very close, but these two are hard on the brakes all the way down into turn 7. Michael's just got out of it, and Alexander's gone straight across, careful of the 296, and there's the 71 and the 29 are wheel to wheel here off of turn 7. Michael's trying to get it all the way around the outside, but Alexander, big shunt, big crash! Huge!
Oh, that's an absolutely enormous shunt.
They got tagged.
Red flag immediately, and that's completely correct.
Oh, wow.
In close contention there, and it all went horribly wrong.
Oh,
that's two cars involved. Was that the 15?
It was a 25.
And the 15,
Michael,
I think.
And 15, yes.
Well, immediate red flag, and that is correct. There's debris absolutely everywhere. There will need to be intervention on both those cars for certain. The 25 absolutely destroyed in that car. That's Mimo Gidley getting out of that car.
Oh, that's fantastic.
That's, now I can breathe again. It's Michael Jensen walking away, and we'll go to the medical centre. That was an enormous shunt.
And great to see Mimo out of the car.
Well, they've rung his bell though. Let's watch again.
Oh, this is big.
To the outside, Michael Jensen. And it was just as he cleared the car.
Yeah, just tagged.
Pitched sharp left into and through part of the barrier.
Yeah, Michael just got across the front of Mimo there and sent both of them in the wall. Oh, we're on board here with the
Terraceau.
Oh, that is
wheels bouncing down.
You never want to see that.
No. Well, thank you to everybody involved in the design of modern race cars.
It's amazing to see Mimo walking away. That's
staggering.
Brilliant.
And that, ladies and gentlemen watching, is the emotion that kind of accident brings out, and the people actually